What is up, everybody? We're going to be doing some gridiron pack openings. Get 3 gridiron packs, 35k each. I think they're a really good deal. So let's see what we can get. First card's gold. Bronze trophy. Another bronze trophy. Another gold. Fullback positional collectible. It's not bad. It's a good collectible you can get. Let's see. Oh, that's good. There we go. Ben Roethlisberger. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. I made 35k easily. Second pack. Hopefully I can get an update team. I haven't gotten one forever. Alright, gold. Oh, that might be our item. Our Patterson. Oh, that's the, this one looks like it's going to be a dud. Vincent Jackson. Gold trophy. That pack was not good. Alright, let's see if we can make back up for that. Alright. Here's our gold. 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 That might be our item player. Oh, yes! Greg Olson. I already have him, but worth it. There we go. 2 good Team of the Year polls. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching.